This super efficient Grundig tumble dryer delivers the perfect care for your laundry through effective and easy-to-use features. With an A++ energy efficiency rating, this dryer uses cooler air to dry your laundry, saving up to 70% in energy consumption compared to standard C-rated dryers. You can save money on your bills and stay kinder to the environment. The ExpressDry function allows you to reduce program durations by up to 24% by using an additional heater. Enjoy speedy results while your appliance still delivers an efficient A+ energy performance. Sensor programs measure moisture levels inside the drum and stop the cycle when the desired dryness level is achieved. You will avoid wasting unnecessary energy as well as any damage to your laundry caused by over-drying. Take the hassle out of laundry day with this large 8 kg Grundig tumble dryer, perfect for any busy family home.